All right, YouTube. Quick daily bias. I'll show you real quick. I already went over it with the Discord. But again, we're still bearish in the 4-hour time frame. We have this 4-hour bearish fair value gap above that I think is going to get traded into. Right now, I'm focusing to see if we form that high time frame S&T because ES came up, took out Asian session highs. NASDAQ didn't. I want to see if we form an S&T off of that to come fill in this hourly fair value gap and then push higher into that 4-hour bearish fair value gap. But if we just continue higher off market open, which market opened 6 minutes ago, and we don't form that hourly S&T and we come up into this 4-hour fair value gap, I would like to see a reaction off of that, targeting this hourly fair value gap down below. But again, I just want to see price develop first and then go from there. I have 2 options again today. That happened 3 times this week so far. So on those days, I like to just stay patient and just let the market show me what it wants to do. And if it doesn't show me an opportunity, then I don't trade. So yeah, that's my bias. Good information. Yeah. Wing Wong, did you get any more evals? Or are you sticking with the 5 for a little bit? Yeah, no. When's the next holiday? Halloween? I guess. Thanksgiving. Maybe they'll probably do a Thanksgiving holiday. Probably Black Friday, yep. Black Friday, they'll probably, I think they did 90% off last year. So that means the accounts will be $18. Yeah. $18 accounts, dude. During Christmas, they have $5 with that 99. Oh my god. Oh, we gotta get the end of the year, dude. I want to get max allocated at the end of the year. That's the time to let it shine. 5, yeah, I need 5 more, dude, to get max allocated with Apex. I literally wrote it in one of my journals at the beginning of the year. That was my goal. Yas took a trade already. There you go, TP1 hit. Good job. Staying alive. Oh, lordy. Don't know what I'm waiting for. My goal was 3 accounts by the end of the year, so I've already gotten that. Now it's time for 20. Yeah, baby. We should see if how many people could get to 20 in the Discord. If we can get multiple people to do that, it'd be crazy. Have 140 Apex accounts between multiple people. Be making bread, even if you make $100 a day between all of us. So let's say Yas had 20, J. Cole had 20, I had 20, Wing Wong had 20, Voodoo had 20, let's say TJ had 20. So that's 6 people. 6 times 2 would be 120. 120 times, let's say $200 per trade. 24K. Fuck it. That would be so sick. Just off a $200 trade each. It's possible. It is possible. Alright, we're not doing much right now. We're just consolidating. So I'm staying patient. I don't like how we're not moving that well either. If we form this hourly SMT, where's equilibrium? We're right at 4-hour equilibrium, dude. This is interesting. What up, Mr. T Long? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wait to see if this SMT forms. You got 17 minutes. I'm just gonna wait. I'd rather be patient and miss out on something, cause it's just like there's a couple things that can happen. We can either come down here, like what I'd want, target up here. But I only would want to be bearish if we inverse this hourly on this candle and then target London session in this 4-hour low. But I want to see that hourly get inversed first before doing that. What I really just want to look for is this SMT to form, fill in this hourly fair value gap, and then push higher. That's what I would like to see. That would be my main option. So I feel like we could sweep out all these low resistance draws below. And I think we have these equal lows down here in the 5-minute. There is equal lows in the 5-minute, I'm pretty sure. Yep, there's equal lows in the 5-minute on NASDAQ. Let's see the 15-minute. Yep. See if we want those. What about on ES? No, they're not, but I'm going to mark out this 5-minute anyway. Wow, she's coming for it. I didn't see those at the beginning. Tomorrow starts full part Friday. Yeah, for real. For real. I don't know. Sometimes I wish I became like a scalper. But I tried that. Didn't work well for me. It's just too stressful. When you start to just keep getting better and better at trading, you just realize how boring it actually really is. You just sit there and look at your screen. I used to be so bad with just fucking having to take a trade every single day. Multiple trades, dude. I wonder if there's a way we can go back and log in on my old accounts or something. We'd take like 100 trades a day. It was one of my hardest things to overcome, which I'm telling you. I go crazy, Scott. I love this shit. I love watching candles. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, it is stressful, yes. Exactly, Wing Wong. I scalp when I do the evals. When you guys see me do the full port, that's when I scalp. But again, if you're just starting out in trading and you're in here, don't fucking full port evals just to pass them, because then you're gonna just blow your PA account. Prove you can pass evals first and have a proven system, a risk management system, everything like that, and then once you start stacking accounts easy, that's when you start not wasting your time on evals. But I think first you have to prove you can pass, with your one contract. No, I do 10, Voodoo. What up, Zach? I do 10 minis on that, Voodoo. Yeah, dirt. Oh shit, I didn't put the poll in the chat. Polls in the chat. Up 850 this the week, yeah, baby. That's pretty good. When is this market open? Yeah, I know. I'm on Chippy Chopper. Chip Chop, Chippy. What do you mean it's done nothing? You didn't see that 4-hour buy-side liquidity sweep unicorn model? Turtle Soup Baconator? 3000 Twister Sixter? It's perfect. We should make our own like Master Futures strategy and fuck with people and like make some stupid ass name up like that and see if people actually believe it. You gotta pay $100 to get into the Discord to learn the Unicorn Soup Twister Sixter 3000 strategy. I didn't know Turtle Soup was real. Turtle Soup is real. There's something called the Turtle Soup, actually. That just came to my... I don't know. The Turtle Soup is actually something. Just some people just have some stupid names for some stuff. Yeah, I didn't believe them either. Yeah, Turtle Soup's an ICT concept. That's what it is. When I just start putting names on stuff like that, dude, it just gets a little too complicated. I just I don't know. Like again, I learned ICT concepts, like smart money concepts, but just over time, it's like I don't put a name on it. It's just like you see it and you do it. If that makes sense. Zeta said same. Yeah, Zeta. You learning the Turtle Soup, honey? No, she doesn't, J. Cole. I want to teach her. I think I want to do like a YouTube series or something on teaching her, see what we can do. I feel like that'd be cool. She said, oh yeah. I mean, she's here every day. She supports it. She's got more accounts than all of us. Yeah, she's got 20. She's got 20 Apex accounts. 20 Apex, 5 Top Step, 5 Alpha Futures. Secretly professional. I wish you'd tell me, because then you could take over the lives, and I'll just sit back and relax. You're saving me stress. That was funny. Stealth mode. Ay, ay, ay. We didn't even take out these equal lows. Why didn't we take those out? Did we break structure on the 5 minute? Right, we did. I want to see a break structure back to the upside. Can we form that 5 minute fair value gap also after taking out Asian session highs and not form that hourly S&T? Okay. 8 minutes. I mean, there's nothing really stopping us until that 4 hour fair value gap. Where does that 4 hour fair value gap start? How many points is this? 60 points. Wow. Look at this, beautiful. This is just amazing. I hope we could take a trade today. Oh. I'm really surprised we didn't take out those equal lows. Okay, there we go. Asian session is taken. So no hourly S&T is going to be put in play here now. Let's see though. Are we going to want to take that out and then come down and take out these equal lows? Not looking like it. Not for the day. I'm going to TP $250 up. There you go. Yas. Yas is on a roll. Yeah, baby. That's a good week. That's a great week. Is that on your multiple accounts too, Yas? Or is it just on one? Only one? Still fucking good. Still fucking good. Alright, let's see what we got here. I kind of want to stay patient because I wonder if this is going to be a manipulation leg up to take out all these highs and then continue lower, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm staying patient. All right, we broke structure to the upside. And then we formed that 5 minute fair value gap. Baby, what you wishing for? We form a 5 minute on ES? No, we didn't. I at least want to see a 5 minute retrace. Again, I'm a little bit more patient. I'm not going to scale down to 1 minute. Ding, 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 ding.
I did take an L today. I'm not.
I gotta get off social media. I might fall asleep. I wanna jam it with you. If we form another 5-minute bearish fair value gap here, I'm gonna want to wait on NASDAQ for equilibrium to get hit. Can you not scratch my door? Thank you. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get in. Let's go. Hurry up. Come on. Oh no. Go, Trace. Lay down. Staying patient here, guys. We did form a 15-minute low. equilibrium did get hit. I don't want to take a trade yet because he's too bullish for value gaps. I'm bearish for value gaps. It's too big of a stop for me, dude. I like that reaction. We inverse both of them. That's an 80-point stop, dude. It's kind of crazy. What do you mean? How's an 80-point stop? I'm gonna stay patient. We did come down to 5-minute equilibrium, which I did like, but we inverse these bullish fair value gaps. I want to wait for one more retrace. We inverse the bearish fair value gap. Sorry, guys. I want one more retrace. I think we're gonna continue higher, but. I'm gonna X out this 5-minute fair value gap right now, just to get it out of my way. $66-point stop. cut the... Not yet. I don't want to enter in yet, guys. I'm going to still stay patient. I'd rather at least hit equilibrium off of this move. I want that one more extra confirmation. See if we can get it. I'm gonna cut the chat, guys, so I can focus. $53-point stop if we inverse this 1 minute bearish. Not in a trade, guys, just so you know. The reason why I'm just being so iffy right now is because we have the second 5 minute bearish fair value gap, bullish fair value gap below that we didn't tap into. Yeah, we tapped into equilibrium. But we also have these equal lows here still. And I don't like how many points we'd be risking. Personally. Let's see what we get here. See if we get buying pressure out of here. Oof. Holy shit. It's gonna make me do it. Alright, I'm gonna enter one here. I'm gonna enter one just because I don't like this the stop. And I'm gonna put it underneath this low. 804. 24. 804. I'm gonna enter one for now. See what we get. I like that reaction off of it. Let's see. We inverse this 1 minute. All right, I'm going to draw this out too. Let's see how we react off this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. If we act good off of it, I'll enter in one more position size. Or if we just want to continue up without me, it's totally fine. So, what is this? I'm going to have my full take profit at 24,996. Put it at 994. Can't see. $24,992. So I'm gonna put my stop 24,992. That's 100 points. I think I'm gonna go for here. 966. Yeah. I'm just gonna target this, guys. I'm in 1 micro. It's still 102 points. I don't know why it's saying that, but I'm just gonna go. I'm in with 1 right now, so I'm just gonna put that as my full take profit and see if she can hit. And then I'll be done for the day. It's just so risky right now. I don't like how many points we're risking. Because if this goes in the opposite direction, holy shit, Zach! There you go. Holy shit, that's crazy. You got it. That is a banger. Did you go in 4 micros on that one, Zach? There you go. Come on and play. Come on. Let's go. Hit my TP. Don't edge me. Don't edge me. I have it right there, like at 6'4", 6'5". All right, schmackadoodle. I got hit. I had it a little bit below. Still 92 point trade. There we go. Zach, where'd you get in? Off this big move, or you just went in on this fair value gap? W for today. Even with 1 micro, I made $135 per account with 1 micro. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Zach made a bag on that one. I just didn't want to go in a bigger, because I don't know why this is like 92 points. This is 92 points. We still had a 92 point trade, dude. But this is like a small. Like, I don't get that. You know what I'm saying? Is it because it's so volatile? We still hit a 1 to 1.7, which we'll take. We'll still take it. WJ. Yes, sir, Yas. Appreciate you posting on your story. All right, hold on. We got to get it for the chat. Zach, I want to get yours in there too. Hold on. All right, we hit a little 1-to-1 restored. I only went in 1 micro on this trade. We made around $135 per account because it was so volatile. But look, there's the entry, there's the exit, as you can see. But freaking Zach made a freaking bag on that one. You can see some W's in the chat, guys, for Friday to end the week. Thank you, guys. Zach made $549 per account. There we go. Look at all those W's. But we still hit a 1 to 1.7 risk to reward, which, here, I'll put the freaking arrow thing on it if I can see it. 1 to 1.7. I went in a smaller position size because there's still a 92-point trade. We'll take it to end the week. But proof, PA accounts, bang, entries, exits. Cool. Cool. There we fucking go. You deserve that one, Zach. That's why you keep sticking to your plan and trust yourself. I tell you all the time, you know how to fucking trade, dude. A couple losses do not define you as a trader. Now you got back that, you definitely got back that yesterday's loss. You more than doubled that. So you basically, like, yeah, ending the week green. That's how we end it, guys. I think that was a good take profit level because we are in a 4-hour fair value gap too. We got to remember that. And I think we hit the 50% level, which I didn't even mark out. So if we mark out this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, oh yeah, look at that. We went right to the 50% level. Our take profit was right above it. And that's why I put my stop loss a little bit below, because this was supposed to be the full take profit. But I didn't want to risk freaking a couple more points. I always put it a couple points below. That's funny. It still can continue up, but I'm good with ending that on a Friday like that. But everybody post your wins and losses in the chat. Who took that trade? Zach took that trade. Wing Wong took that trade. J. Cole, you took that trade, right? Mr. T Long, you take that trade. Yas. A little 1-to-1 restored. I only went in 1 micro on this trade. We made around $135 per account. Post in the wins and losses, guys. There's the entry, there's the exit, as you can see. But freaking Zach made a freaking bag on that one. Zach, he made like fucking $5 grand. Rock hard. There we go. Look at all those W's. But we still hit a 1 to 1.7 risk to reward. 4.4K. Holy shit. 4.7. I went in a smaller position size. There's still a 92-point trade. We'll take it to end the week. But proof, PA accounts, bang, entries, exits. Cool. That's pretty sick. Alright. If you just. Let's see. If I was risking. I want to see how much if I went in 2 micros. Because I had a 53-point stop. Yeah, I would have risked 212. What did I risk? With 1 micro, I was risking $106. See, I like that. So I risked 106 to make 135 per account. All right, I like that. Up almost 2.5K in payouts this month. Already going for the 10K month. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep it up. Guys, there's another, literally a prime example of fucking Zach right there. Like, you guys gotta trust yourself with when you trade. Just because you take a couple losses doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It doesn't mean anything. Like, if stick to your system and trust yourself. It literally shows every time. Stick to your rules and follow your system, and you will build back. We have them for a reason. You're not gonna win all the time. Literally, dude. Me and Zach have proven that many times. We've gone on so many losing streaks already on these accounts, dude. And every time, if you stick to your rules, you end up usually building back. Trading is working, bro. I can't even imagine it. Yep. Yeah, dude. I'm with you, Yas. I've blown around like 388 accounts. What was the number the other day, Zach? Like 300 and something. I'm with you. It'll work. You just gotta keep trusting yourself. All right, YouTube. We hit that trade. I did go in a smaller size, but it is okay. I'm fine with ending that on the week like that. Here, let's see what we ended up finishing the week. Here, we'll do this. I gotta do this on the side, so you guys don't see my password. Do it to this computer. Did everybody end the week green? I think so, right? I'm pretty sure we all did. Look at that take profit too, guys. Holy shnikes. Come on, let's go, trade of 8. Fucking load. This is how we do. Hold on one second, guys. I'll do it in front of you too. I want to put the data into my trade syncer so we can be transparent with you guys to show you that I'm not a scammer. All right, YouTube, we're going to end this though because, again, yeah, whatever. Goodbye.